right, Shannon.
Yes. I don't understand what's going on. He came up to the house yesterday.
Put your hands behind your back.
Why?
Because right now you're going to be detained.
Why?
You're either going to do that or you're going to go to jail.
I need to know why I'm being detained.
For a criminal investigation.
For what criminal investigation?
Please put your hands behind
your
your back.
What did I do?
Thank you very much.
Hey, what did I do?
On the 8th of August 2025, officers responded to a stalking and restraining order complaint. Subject arrested. Disposition unknown.
My dad was staying
My
here.
favorite cop.
This is my dad.
He's the one who arrested me the other day.
Okay, so obviously.
I'm having a.
Yes.
Don't you live over there?
Yes, I'm not allowed in my house now.
Okay, all right, I'm with you.
So
my daughter's
he's staying
house.
with me. I was gone on a camping trip, but he's been staying here.
He knows all about that.
Yes. So
It
my
was
mom.
his daughter that was in the car with me the other day.
Okay.
So my mom continues to come to my house.
Is this who we're looking for, Mom?
Yes.
Your ex?
Yes.
Okay.
The one that I tried to get you to pick up the other day, and I ended up getting arrested for it.
Okay, I got you.
She
And 2 felonies.
has been sitting outside the window, sending messages, trying to cover my Ring camera with this little flower. She's put GPSs on his
There's no
car.
contact. She keeps calling and calling and calling and calling. I got all these
Threatening to
voicemails like I showed you the other day.
Kill him, threatening to break my windows out.
Where's she at now?
She was just here on her bicycle.
Same
Same bicycle, the
She
same
was
bike.
just here. I do not want her to.
What's she wearing?
You're not getting me wrapped up
She's
in
got a
this
white muscle shirt on with no bra on, with her nipples hanging out, and a pair of shorts.
This is the most peace I've had in my life in a long time.
Yeah, I haven't been out here in a while.
Hey, Shannon.
Hey,
Where are you going?
to get ice. And it's been so peaceful here. I talked to an attorney. I went and had my, let me make sure.
Hold on, is that dog leashed up?
No,
Okay, did you make sure you don't, where are you going?
but I'm doing my note.
All right, don't let him out.
I'm going.
All right, Shannon, right now, we're conducting an investigation, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna explain, but I have to read you. You understand? You understand?
Why? I haven't done nothing.
Okay, but you understand if we're gonna discuss anything further.
What?
I gotta talk to you. Okay. Just give me 1 second.
The first issue is Miranda. Under Miranda versus Arizona, 1966, custodial interrogation requires prior advisement of rights. The officer read Miranda before substantive questioning, eliminating any suppression argument on the subject's statements. The subject waived voluntarily. Every post-waiver admission is fully admissible, including the address confirmation. The second issue is probable cause. Under Terry v. Ohio, 1968, reasonable suspicion justifies investigatory detention. Here, an active restraining order plus the complainant's report plus video evidence satisfies probable cause exceeding Terry.
Hey,
I haven't
sorry, I had to
done
turn on the
nothing.
radio. We're 10-12 with her.
What did you try to do?
Shannon.
I mean, you roll up here in the yard
Shannon.
yesterday, yelling at me. I don't know what. It's been the most peace and quiet since you've been gone. Okay. I'm supposed to just leave my cigarettes that I dropped in the yard. $10. I don't got no money to replace them.
10-4.
What, Donnie?
You want us to
I got
10-12
video of you violating
Wait for
your
you,
no
or-
contact
or what?
order, buddy.
I can read her and start talking to her if you like.
So supposedly they said that he said it. Are you kidding? I won't quit coming over. He called me. He called me and asked me to come make love to him.
All right, Shannon.
I didn't go to
Shannon,
court.
you're either going to talk to me,
Okay.
or we're going to do this a different way. So I don't want you to say
okay,
anything right now.
Okay. I didn't go to court.
I don't want you to say anything.
Okay.
I just want to take a second for us
I
to
just wanted my cigarette.
I want to explain. I'm Officer Ogden.
Okay.
We're conducting an investigation. Right now, I would like to talk to you, but I have to read you something, and then we can talk.
Okay, but why?
If you don't want to do it that way, we can do it a different way.
Okay, so what do you want to read me?
All right, just give me a second.
I haven't done anything wrong. Donnie.
All right, Shannon.
Yes. I don't understand what's going on. He came up to the house yesterday.
Put your hands behind your back.
Why?
Because right now you're going to be detained.
Why?
You're either going to do that or you're going to go to
wait.
jail.
I need to know why I'm being detained.
For a criminal investigation.
For what
Put your hands behind
criminal
your back.
investigation?
Please put your hands behind
What
your
did
back.
I do?
Thank you very much.
Hey, what did I do? You know what? I was with my friend yesterday, and he comes up in the car, I don't know why he keeps doing that. I got video of it. My friends got video. I dropped my cigarettes. I left them laying on the ground, and I didn't have any, so I had to go get them. Why nobody was
That's
there?
a different story than what we're hearing. So we're
That's
trying
a
to figure it
lie.
out. We're trying to figure out what actually is.
That I went to get my packet of cigarettes.
Shannon, this
I
is
got
very
them.
important.
Okay.
The more you move around, the longer this is going to hurt for a long time. I'm trying to do this comfortably, okay? So please stop moving.
I didn't even go to court. Nobody's contacted me, but he has continued to call me.
All right. Now look at me. Do you have any weapons or
No,
contraband?
no, I haven't done anything.
Okay. We're going to try this again.
I was going over there to work in my neighbor's yard for him. That's where I just came from.
I'd like to talk to you more,
Okay.
but I'm going to just stop
Okay, all right.
unless you listen to me.
Okay.
Rights.
Yes, but I don't understand what I've done wrong.
With these rights in mind, are you willing to speak with me?
Yes.
Okay. So, again, Shannon McCraney, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. The reason we're here today is because it is alleged that there was some sort of incident with your ex. Okay?
What incident?
I'm willing to listen to you now, and
Okay.
now is your opportunity to discuss.
Okay,
it.
what? I haven't had an incident.
So nothing happened today?
I went over to get my pack of cigarettes out of the yard.
Can we start with where you went?
Yeah, I went to my daughter's.
Okay, where's her address?
It's 1626 Aniston.
Thank you.
Why?
What happened there?
I got my cigarettes out of the yard and I was leaving and they pulled up.
Who's they?
My daughter and Donnie.
Who's Donnie?
Donnie?
Yeah.
He's the one who got the domestic on me. But I didn't go to court.
Can you tell me his last name?
Yeah, Bond. What's that mean?
His last name is his last name. That's
Yes.
just what it is.
I don't know what I've done.
I agree. You said now they showed up, and then what happened?
I left, like they asked me to do.
So you showed up, you left, that was it.
No, they showed up, and she said, what are you doing? I said, I left my cigarettes. I dropped my cigarettes here in the yard. I wanted to come back and get them. Why nobody was here?
Okay.
And she was like, well, you can't do it. I said, well, you shouldn't be come by. I said, why? I said, he called me and asked me to come over and make love to him Wednesday night. I said, I made love to him twice. I
Why
said,
were your cigarettes in the yard?
what do you, why? Because I went by there this morning and dropped the elephant off, a wooden elephant that I put into the bin in the garage because she collects elephants. Yeah.
So is there any reason, I'm here to hear your side of the story now, is there any reason that there would be an allegation that you made threats today?
I didn't make threats to
I'm not
them.
asking whether or not you did. Is there any reason why someone would believe that?
No.
So
No.
there's no going to be any
No.
proof whatsoever?
You know what he said to me? Only thing he said to me was, you don't have a bra on? I said, nope. I said, I sure don't. It's hot. I said, and you don't want them. You don't want me. I'm 51. I've kept myself hid away from the world for 38 years. For you.
This is your opportunity to explain anything.
For you. And
Okay.
you don't want them, so don't talk to me about
Respectfully,
respect.
Shannon, I'm not here to discuss your
That's
relationship.
all. That's
I
it,
want
and
to
I
know if
left.
there was anything
Nope,
you said,
I left.
anything you messaged, anything
No.
you called about that would lead someone to believe that you were threatening them.
No.
That's it. That's your story.
What I message.
I'm asking you. I'm not going to tell you. I didn't do it.
I just messaged him. I said, you can't play shitty games. And I said, you play shitty games, you get shitty prizes.
Okay.
Yep.
Were you insinuating some kind of violence, or
No.
were you just saying that to get attention?
Now he's trying to get me arrested. Well, I want him violated.
He's gonna bust my windows out. I don't give a fuck if I go to prison. I'll bust the windows out of her apartment.
Well, I tried to do the right thing.
Let's play the first one.
The first one again? She's talking about Sam. That's the girl I've been talking to.
fucking stupid. She took her dogs to work because you
She
ain't
thinks
gonna
my
even
dog-
go to work. Bitch, my wrist ride is gonna be here in 2 minutes. And if you don't think I'm gonna fucking be at Sam's, you're stupid as fuck. I don't give a fuck if I go to prison, bitch. I'll bust her goddamn windows out of her apartment. You stupid motherfucker. You don't give a fuck about nobody else unless you want to put him in this situation. On God, my lift is fixing to be
On God, my lift is going to be here. Okay, that was that message.
Where's the one she said she's gonna blow your head off?
Okay.
There's so many.
There's,
Here's the one where she's threatening to kill herself.
joke that you taking me to a place to where I want to take my life.
When was this?
Couple days.
this was a couple days. I played this for the officer Monday. This is what I called him. I called him because she did that, and she spit in my face and threw a bottle at me. Yes, when she spit on my face, I jumped out of the car and I picked up her bike and I slammed it in the road. There was a witness seeing me throw the bike. I didn't throw it on her. I didn't hit her. But when I jumped
My
out the
daughter
car,
was there. She said, Mom, I swear Grandpa didn't touch her. She spit on Grandpa.
she spit in my face and she threw a Gatorade bottle at me. And I tried to tell the guy, the new guy, he had me so pissed off. I love her, and I don't want. I know it's hard.
It's the only way to follow through. I didn't want to press charges on Scott.
Pressing charges against her doesn't mean you don't love her.
No, but what's that going to consist of?
She'll probably have to do some program, some this and
Anger
that.
management or something? I don't want her to go to prison.
Just
Only thing, I've never threatened nobody.
The third issue is the voicemail. Virginia v. Black, 2003, holds that true threats are not protected by the First Amendment. A true threat names a target, describes a violent act, and communicates intent. The voicemail satisfies all three elements. The subject acknowledged the voicemail on camera, post Miranda. That acknowledgement is admissible and eliminates deniability. The fourth issue is the invited contact defense. The subject claims the complainant invited her to the protected address. Most jurisdictions hold that the protected party cannot unilaterally waive the order. Only a court can modify it. Her admission to being at 1,626 Anniston satisfies the actus reus of the violation, regardless of who initiated contact.
But not, the only thing I threatened to do was to tell him I'm done with him. He threatens me every day, threatens to punch me in the face, threatens to kill me if I just were talking to him. He rolled up on me in the apartment with my friend yesterday when we had pulled up there.
Like I told you many times before, y'all can do.
But I haven't done nothing. I haven't done nothing. He's just being dirty now.
Shannon, do you have a purse with you?
No,
Okay, do you have any other property around here?
no.
Okay.
Can I get my daughter to bring me, please? My mouth is so dry. I just rode the bike from getting my cigarettes.
Okay.
I
Shannon,
haven't done nothing.
so just please hear me out. I'm not the primary investigating officer for this.
I didn't do that. Okay.
Officer Walker is, and we're going to go to him.
I'll show you my phone. Yeah, all I did was say I don't want you anymore.
Where is your phone?
Can I get my daughter?
Where's your phone?
My daughter has it in the house.
Okay, I need you to step over here to my car, please.
I haven't done nothing. Montana! I don't think you can make both. I'm done with him, and I'm violating his no contact. If there is even really a no contact. Because I don't know. Nobody's ever called and said nothing to me or told me. I don't threaten him.
What'd you say, son?
My head is itching now, my sweat. God damn it. My sweat. I didn't even get to get a drink after riding all this.
Do you have any weapons or
No.
narcotics on you whatsoever, okay?
No.
A female's going to come over here and check you, but I need to
Does
see
it
your
look like I have anything?
I understand. I have to ask you, okay? Just look at me.
No. I've been here working in my neighbor's yard.
Look. Hey, Shannon, look at
What?
me. Look at me.
I'm tired.
I understand. Look at me. Open your mouth. Tongue to the roof.
Saying I threatened him.
Watch yourself. Take a seat.
Yeah.
Watch your hands.
Threatens him. He threatens me every day.
All right,
Threatening.
Shannon.
I'm not having his no
Shannon, I
contact.
trust you and all that, but I need to see your shoes, please.
Okay. I want my daughter.
Can I see your other one, please?
I just was working in my neighbor's yard.
I get it.
He's doing this just to get revenge. He's just being a piece of shit.
Yeah, no drugs anywhere.
No, I don't. I'm not doing any
We don't
drugs.
need to add additional charges.
No, I don't have any drugs. I'm not doing any.
Sure. Making sure.
Jesus Christ.
All right.
The fifth issue is stalking. GPS placement, camera obstruction, and repeated calls constitute a documented pattern of conduct. Most state stalking statutes require 2 or more acts directed at a specific person causing reasonable fear. That threshold is met. Officer August receives an A-. Miranda timing was correct. Interview technique was open-ended and non-leading throughout. The deduction, detaining the subject without naming the specific charge on scene, creates a minor evidentiary gap in the record. The subject receives a C. The invited contact defense has legal merit and belongs in a courtroom. She forfeited that advantage by admitting her location, acknowledging the messages, and waiving Miranda without counsel present. Takeaway 1. A restraining order cannot be waived by the protected party. Contact remains criminal regardless of invitation. Takeaway 2. Post-Miranda statements are permanent evidence. Cooperation without counsel is a legal risk, not a defense strategy. Takeaway 3. A pattern of conduct. GPS, calls. Physical presence satisfies stalking statutes independently of any single act. Let us know if there is a topic you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam.